Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner, low-mileage 2016 Chrysler 200 S Sedan. With street appeal, an upscale interior, and the remainder of its factory warranty, this stylish, sporty, and elegant mid-size sedan has all of the athletic performance to make this one a top contender on your list. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona, while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this front-wheel drive is a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, generating 184 horsepower and 173 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. EPA estimated fuel economy is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. In track testing, it sprinted from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 9 seconds. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. The S trim is the sporty version of this family and comes with a sport-tuned suspension and premium wheels. The 5-passenger cabin is chock full of high-quality materials and boasts many impressive options, including leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, Bluetooth, navigation, and backup camera. To see the full list of specifications on this model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We encourage you to come and put this 200S through its paces today and enjoy for yourself its respectable acceleration, luxury hush-quiet cabin, impressive fuel economy, and the sporty suspension as you hit those winding back roads. Be prepared to drive, fall in love, and buy. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.